about what's happening in Tamil Nadu, where the new government there under Chief Minister Vijay has now filed an appeal in the Supreme Court against the Madras High Court direction to light the stone pillar at the Deepatun. Now, the state government, which has basically followed the line of the previous DMK government of MK Stalin, has now raised fears that lamp lighting ceremony will trigger communal problems and it could cause disturbances in the public places. Now, this seems to be a development that is also coming at a time when it comes to the Tamil Nadu government to the High Court, which had previously said that it cannot immediately implement the Parankundaram Deepam order, and this dispute that had arisen concerning the lighting of the lamp at Deepatun atop the hill, and of course when it comes to the protest by several groups and activists that has been ever since taking place. Let's connect with Dharani on this. So Dharani, what is the contention as the Deepam Rao debate is back? What has now been said by the new Tamil Nadu government filing an appeal in the topmost court?
Well, it looks like the present DMK government is also following the footsteps of the previous DMK government as far as the Deepam Rao is concerned. Yesterday, during a hearing in the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court, the state government informed the Madurai bench that they've filed a plea in the Supreme Court regarding this matter. Definitely this comes as a shock to many, especially those belonging to the BJP and the devotees who've been wanting the holy lamp to be lit on the Deepatun atop the Parankundaram hills, because they thought that with the Madras High Court giving a green signal, this matter has come to an end. But it looks like the Tamil Nadu government is not ready to implement the orders of the Madras High Court. Now they've gone to the Supreme Court, they've gone with an appeal, and it remains to be seen what the Supreme Court is going to say. But as far as yesterday's hearing is concerned, the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court questioned the government as to why the government is
Yes, because in the previous hearing, the judges there had asked, orally advising all the stakeholders not to escalate the issue, and they had also remarked that the court should not be used as a political platform. After what has now been said, that the councils demanded that the matter be listed again before the assembly election. But it seems that the new government, that of the TVK, meanwhile, Mr. Narayan Tirupati is connected with us. Sir, what is your point of view? Because now the TVK government, following the footsteps of MK Stalin's government, sir, has now approached the Supreme Court and is now seeking a direction on the lighting of the stone, at the Deepatun. And the government basically is following the same line, raising fears that the the lighting of the lamp will actually create communal problems at the area.
No, you do. See, the TVK government is again proving to be a 2.0 or a B team of the DMK government, the Dravida model government. That is what Mr. Stalin said. So we strongly condemn this act of the Tamil Nadu government. They should have seen to it that the law and order problem was created by the government itself during the DMK period. They only imposed 144 and other things in spite of the judgment given by the Honorable Justice Mr. G.R. Swaminathan. But unnecessarily, they were trying to please the minority community. Even from that community, nobody objected it. But it was the government which tried to create a law and order problem. So the same way, TVK is also going. This is highly condemnable. I think if they should withdraw, Mr. Joseph Vijay, the Chief Minister, should understand the real issue and opt for it.
Absolutely, sir, because previously when this matter was raised before the court, thank you very much, Mr. Tirupati, for your point of view. The judge had remarked that the case would be closed only upon the implementation of the court's order, and questioning whether the Deepatun case was only one in the country, asking if the court had no other cases to attend to, and despite this, the order was not implemented. Let's connect with Mr. Sarvanan as well. Well, Mr. Sarvanan, good morning. The TVK now will be in your opposition, sir, as the ruling government, but it seems that it is following the same footprints of your DMK government as far as now making an appeal in the Supreme Court with regards to Deepatun lamp lighting.
See, there's no other choice. The people of Tamil Nadu will not accept this kind of deviations. In the last 100 years, this Deepam was lit only near the place where it has been lit in the past. Now the BJP, they want to give a political color to this. They want to divide the people of Tamil Nadu on the basis of religion. That is why they took up this issue. And we did not allow that. It's good that the TVK government has filed an appeal. let's wait and see what the Supreme Court has got to say. Yeah.
All right. All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Saravanan, for your point of view, because when questioned as far as the state government, what's taking so long as far as the implementation of the order is concerned, and in response, what is being said by the government's counsel, that is not the government's intention. The question is whether to continue with the practice that has been in place for nearly 100 years, and it was stated that the decision needed to be made regarding whether to continue with the new system. So now it seems that the Vijay government is following on the same footprints as far as the previous DMK government is concerned, with now filing an appeal in the Supreme Court against the Madras High Court direction when it comes to lighting of the stone pillar at the Deepatun. We'll get you more political reactions on this big story back after a short break.